All right, you guys. So, we're supposed to get our first rainstorm tonight. So, only a tenth of an inch, but it's more than nothing. So, I'm feeling under the pressure to get some stuff done, like this, get the duff blown off of the gym, and I'm going to try to work on more of the pile and stuff like that. Yeah, excited the rain is coming, but now I feel under the pressure. So, let's get going.
Wake up from my base, take your shoes, go to place with my favorite face to face. Go away, we need more space. I like dance on the ground, from my car you bash it sound. Get fucking out of me, I have gun, it's killing spree. Suka, what did you say, suka? What did you say, suka? What did you say? I don't like you, suka. What did you say, suka? What did you say, suka? What did you say? I said fuck you. Middle fingers up, Russians go hard. I believe in my God, God makes us one.
Alright, well, my neighbors are having a confab here, but I want to get done with this. So, spread it over here, spread it over there. I think it looks pretty good. It's going to settle. I've still got a little mound there to deal with, but I might use that in a different part of the yard. But I'm thinking it looks pretty good. Covered up the stumps here. Hopefully they'll decompose faster. They stay moister longer. So, there you go. All right, y'all, I am tired. That took longer than I thought it was going to take. Interrupted by some confabs with neighbors. But anyway, I think it looks pretty good. You can see here. Looks pretty smooth. And I feel good about the rain coming tomorrow. So, hope you guys are well. How about just a little forest? Little bit of forest for you. All right, you guys, take care. Bye.